start, I'm opening up each cell, adding some distilled water in each cell. They are all low. This happened 2 years ago, and I'm going to get back to you. The battery would not start the vehicle, ATV this morning. You just click, click, click. 5 minutes, not even, with the Nico Genius fast charger, and it started right up. You can hear it in the background. You see I'm just using a tiny little funnel. Now I got the trickle charger hooked up to it. Guys, 2 days have passed. Let's see if the ATV is going to start after putting distilled water in the battery. She sure is. I couldn't get my foot on the brake pedal.